Do you know that most English learners pronounce this tiny word incorrectly? Most English learners, they pronounce the book, the table, right? Do you pronounce like that? And I'm going to teach you now not just one, but two ways native speakers say it, and a shocking third way that will change how you speak English. Like I said before, every video I will try to be in a different location, in a different and important place, and I am here almost in front of the St. Paul's Cathedral. I was just trying to get a nice angle so you could see the cathedral in a good way. Okay, so let's go to our secrets. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, I'm Mattos Domingos, and you might know me from my YouTube channel, The Brazilian Around the World, where I explore cultures and tell incredible stories. But today is a different video. I'm going to teach you English, how to pronounce this little tiny word correctly. Listen to this, that's really nice. But right here, right now, you're on The Best English Method, my new YouTube channel dedicated entirely to breaking down English and helping you speak with confidence and authenticity. And this video is a special collaboration between both worlds, the cultural curiosity of one channel and the practical focused teaching of the other. And if you want to learn English the way it's truly spoken, you are exactly where you need to be, right here with me. Alright guys, and today I'm gonna fix one of the most common pronunciation mistakes learners make. And it is not just about when to use the, it's about how to say it. There are actually 3 different ways to pronounce this word, and mastering them will make you sound instantly more fluent and natural. Let's unlock the secret together. Secret number 1, the before a consonant sound. The first sound is the, like the, with your tongue between your teeth, like I taught in the last video. It's short, relaxed, and we use it when the next word starts with a consonant sound. Listen and repeat. Welcome to The Best English Method YouTube channel. Look at the car. Look at the car. I read the book. I read the book. She is the best player. Another very important sentence, subscribe to The Best English Method. Alright guys, so it's about the sound, not the letter. University, for example, it starts with U, a vowel letter, but the sound is So we say the university, not the university. So we have exceptions. So secret number 2, the before a vowel sound. The second sound is the, like the, with your tongue between your teeth, like in the other video, on my last video on my YouTube channel, how to pronounce the TH sound. It's a bit longer, and we use it when the next word starts with a vowel sound. Listen and repeat with me. I ate the apple. The orange is sweet. Alright, so easy. This is the English method. And join the English classroom of The Best. Alright guys, so this is the game changer, right? Your speech will flow smoothly because linking the to a vowel is what natives do naturally. And the secret number 3, the. So here is the powerful third way. Sometimes we say the, even before a consonant. We do this for emphasis, to show that something is unique, famous, or the most important. Listen to the villain. He's not just a singer, he is the singer of our generation. Another example. Is that a good restaurant? It's the restaurant in town, meaning the most famous one. Another very important example. I'm not just a teacher, I'm the teacher who will help you speak confidently. There are many methods, but this is the best English method. So now let's have a practice session. All 3 secrets. Let's put it all together. Repeat after me. I drove the car to the airport. She is the only person for the job. This isn't just a solution. It's the solution. So, the secret is out. Remember, the before consonant sound, the book, the table, the school, the teacher, the before vowel sound, the and, the apple, not the apple, the apple, the aren't, the for emphasis. I'm the best English teacher and I have the best English school, right? Your turn. Which rule was most surprising to you? Tell me in the comments and I reply to all of them. Now to continue our journey for more deep dive English lessons like this, make sure you subscribe to The Best English Method. Hit that subscribe button and the bell. And if you want to master all the pronunciation secrets, my previous lessons breaks down the 2 sounds of TH that most learners get wrong. It's the perfect next step to sound even more natural. You can find it featured on screen in the description and here. Okay, so in the card. And for stories, culture, and real-life English from around the globe, join my community over on Brazilian Around the World. Alright guys, so you know, this free tip is a game changer, right? But imagine having this level of clear personal coaching for your entire English journey. That's the result of my proven methodology at The Best English Method. I only open registration a few times a year to maintain the highest quality for my students. And the current group is almost full. If you are committed to becoming a fluent speaker, this is your invitation. This is how you stop learning and start speaking. Take the next step right now. Send a message with the word method on my WhatsApp and let's talk about your goals. Alright guys, thank you for watching this special collaboration. If mastering these subtle secrets helps you, please give this video a like. I'm Mattos Domingos and now you know the secret of the. Use it, practice and own it and share it with your friends and family. And alright guys, I'll see you soon in the online English classroom. God bless you. I'll see you on the next episode.